Hello kids, Prince here. Today I will teach you how to draw Sonic. Draw with me. First I am going to draw his eyes. Now I am going to draw his nose and smiley mouth. Like this. Great, now I am going to complete his eyes. Now I'm going to draw his head like this. Now it's time to draw his ears. Now I'm going to draw his eyebrows. Now it's time to draw his hand. Great, now I'm going to draw his body. It's time to draw his second hand. Now I'm going to draw his legs. Great, our picture is ready. It's time to enhance the picture. Great kids, our picture is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. I am using golden brown color for his smiley face. Now I am using the same color in his body and his hands. Now I am using black color for his nose. Now I am using blue color. Great, our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.